Okay, so now let's see. Last class, what did we learn? Let's summarize. This is fine now, right? Any question?
How to use in sentence in Shangri, like that. Today is my birthday.
Okay. We didn't learn today in this class. We learned, for example, say, okay, Wednesday is my birthday.
星期三我的生日。
Which day? Naga.
No. How to say 怎么样 How to say Wednesday is my birthday? Is you miss one important you miss verb.
我是
How to say Wednesday is my birthday?
星期三我是
Yes, thank you. 星期三是我的生日。So need verb, okay? Only this one, no verb. Don't mix. Only this if adjective, no verb. But other always need verb. So the sentence, for example, you say, okay, so for example, 星期三是我的生日 Yes. This one need, okay? Need verb, yes. So means Wednesday is my birthday. Yeah. Of course, later we will learn more time word. Then you can say, for example, you say today is my birthday or tomorrow. You also can say, for example, say November 29th is my birthday, right? Then you can say like that, yes. Okay, this is fine now? Okay, so let's see what we learned last class. Actually, just you did homework very well. So we learned, actually it's two question words, 谁 and 哪, right? And then because from 谁是 whose 谁的 from like possession 我的你的他的哪 if which something we say 哪个 something if which country 哪国 that's why we say 你是哪国人我是中国人 right? And we learn Chinese, we have two words. You can say 中文 you can say 汉语 Which one for you easy to remember you use? Then we learn classmates, 同学 and 学 means study. So actually now you can say I study Chinese. Okay, how to say I like to study Chinese?
我喜欢
我喜欢学
中国
Yes. So 我喜欢学汉语 or 我喜欢学中文 Yes, you use 中文 or 汉语 both okay. Yeah. Okay, so then we a few examples because always follow time first. Subject, verb, object, right? So for example, 星期一你见谁 So Monday you meet who? So 星期一你见谁你是哪国人我是中国人 For example 你要哪个咖啡你要哪个咖啡我要这个咖啡 Right? This one 哪个咖啡是你的哪个咖啡是你的 Then you say 这个咖啡是我的 Right? Always use picture Always subject, verb, object And then 这是谁的咖啡 means this one 这 also can say 这个是谁的咖啡 Then you answer say 这个是他的咖啡 Right? Yeah, this is the last class we learned. Any question? 有没有问题没有问题 Okay, 没有问题 we will continue. So this is fine, right? Okay, now page 30. we study lesson 5. 30